Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to fix the missing Safari app on your iPhone. The first thing you can do to recover the Safari app is by going to the home screen of your iPhone. Then you want to scroll all the way to the very right until you get to the app library. From here, you want to click into the Utilities folder, and you should see the Safari app in there. If you don't, click on the search bar at the very top and search for Safari. You can then open the application. If you still can't find the Safari app, it's possible that you may need to enable it in your screen time settings. To do this, open the Settings application. Scroll down until you find Screen Time, and click into that. Now scroll down again to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and click into that. Then click into Allowed Apps and Features, and make sure Safari has been toggled on. Now that we've toggled this on, exit out of the Settings application, go back to the app library. Now we can go ahead and find the Safari application. If we still don't see it, click on the search bar at the top and you can search for Safari from there. If you want to pin the Safari browser to your homepage, go back to the app library and search for it yet again. Then press and hold on the application icon. You'll get a few options. Select Add to Home Screen. Now that we've done this, as you can see, the Safari app has now been added to our home screen. And if you want to add it to your dock at the very bottom, press and hold it yet again, then click on Edit Home Screen. Then, drag it to the dock, or the bottom of your iPhone. Now that we've done this, click on Done in the top right-hand corner, and now we can go ahead and start using Safari just as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks.